Are you tired of spending too much time in the kitchen or grabbing unhealthy fast food because you're too busy? Listen up, because I'm about to show you how to take control of your meals, even if you haven't got a bloody clue where to start. We're talking simple, healthy, and most importantly, quick meal prep. Even a donkey could manage it. We're going to ditch the excuses, stop settling for takeout, and get you prepped for success. No more last-minute dashes to the shop, no more greasy spoons draining your wallet and your energy. From now on, it's fresh, delicious, and ready to go when you are. Get your notepads ready because I'm about to share some proper meal prep secrets. Let's get this show on the road. Before we jump into the actual meal prep, let's quickly talk about why meal prepping is a game changer. First off, it saves you a load of time. Think about it, instead of cooking every single night after a long day, you've got your meals sorted for the entire week. That means more time to relax, pursue your passions, or just put your feet up. You deserve it. Second, meal prepping is a lifesaver when it comes to healthy eating. We've all been there, starving after work, reaching for the first processed, sugary thing we can find. But with prepped meals ready to go, you're less likely to make unhealthy choices. You're in control, not your cravings. And let's not forget about the money you'll save. Eating out or ordering takeout might seem convenient, but it absolutely murders your wallet in the long run. Meal prepping helps you stick to your budget and avoid those impulse purchases that leave you with nothing but an empty stomach and a guilty conscience. Now some of you might be thinking, Gordon, I'm rubbish in the kitchen. But listen, meal prepping isn't about being a Michelin star chef. It's about simple, straightforward recipes that anyone can master. We're talking basic cooking skills, nothing fancy. Trust me, once you get into the habit of meal prepping, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's a game changer for your health, your wallet, and your sanity. So, are you ready to ditch the excuses and become a meal prep master? Let's bloody do this. Alright, here's what you need to get started. Basic ingredients, some containers, and just 1 hour of your time. That's right, just 60 minutes to transform your week. First things first, let's talk containers. You'll need a good set of airtight containers to store your prepped meals. Glass or BPA-free plastic are both good options. Make sure they're stackable to save space in your fridge because things are about to get organized in there. Next up, ingredients. Keep it simple, especially when you're starting out. Think lean proteins like chicken, fish, or tofu. Load up on colorful veggies, the more variety the better. And don't forget about healthy carbs like quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes. Now for the fun part, cooking. The key here is to keep it simple and efficient. Roast a big batch of veggies, grill some chicken breasts, and cook up a big pot of quinoa. These will be your building blocks for the week. Once everything is cooked and cooled, it's time to portion it out into your containers. Aim for a good balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats in each meal. This will keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. Label your containers with the date and contents, so you know exactly what you're grabbing. Trust me, there's nothing worse than digging through the fridge for lunch and finding a mystery container from who knows when. And that's it. You've successfully prepped your meals for the week. Now let's move on to some easy and delicious meal prep ideas that will make you actually excited for lunch. Now let's put it all together. I'm sharing 3 easy meal prep ideas that are beginner-friendly. First up, we've got a classic chicken and veggie combo. We're talking tender, juicy chicken breasts, roasted to perfection with a medley of colorful veggies like broccoli, bell peppers, and onions. Season it up with some herbs and spices, and you've got yourself a flavor-packed meal that's both healthy and satisfying. Next, we're spicing things up with a vibrant quinoa salad. This one's packed with protein, fiber, and flavor. We're talking fluffy quinoa, black beans, corn, bell peppers, red onion, and a zesty lime dressing. It's a fiesta in your mouth, and it's perfect for a light and refreshing lunch or dinner. And finally, we're finishing strong with a hearty and comforting lentil soup. This one's perfect for those chilly evenings when you need a warm hug from the inside out. We're talking lentils, carrots, celery, onions, vegetable broth, and a touch of spice. It's the ultimate comfort food, and it's packed with nutrients. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The possibilities are endless. Get creative with your ingredients, experiment with different flavors, and find what you enjoy most. Remember, meal prepping is all about making your life easier and healthier. So ditch the excuses, get in the kitchen, and start prepping your way to a happier, healthier you. And that's it. Healthy, easy, and quick meal prep for beginners. Now you have meals ready for the whole week. No more excuses, you've got this. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy food tips, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite meal prep recipe? I want to hear your brilliant ideas. See you in the next video. Now go forth and conquer those meal preps. Congratulations on mastering the basics of meal prep. Now, let's take it up a notch with some advanced meal prep techniques designed to save you even more time and elevate your meals to the next level. First, let's talk about batch cooking. By preparing large quantities of staple ingredients like grains, proteins, and roasted vegetables, you can mix and match throughout the week to keep your meals exciting and varied. Imagine having a fridge stocked with quinoa, grilled chicken, and a rainbow of roasted veggies, ready to be assembled into delicious bowls or salads at a moment's notice. Show images of batch-cooked ingredients. Another game changer is the use of freezer-friendly meals. Spend a day cooking up hearty stews, soups, and casseroles that can be portioned out and frozen. This way, you always have a homemade meal ready to go, even on the busiest of days. Plus, freezing can help preserve the nutritional value of your food. Show videos of meal portions being frozen. Don't forget about incorporating marinades and sauces. Prepare a variety of marinades and store them in jars, ready to flavor your proteins or vegetables. A good marinade can transform a simple chicken breast into a gourmet experience. Similarly, having a selection of homemade sauces on hand can add a burst of flavor to any dish. Show images of jars filled with marinades and sauces. Investing in quality storage containers is another advanced tip. Opt for glass containers with airtight lids to keep your meals fresh for longer. Label each container with the date and contents to ensure you're eating your meals at their peak. This small step can make a big difference in maintaining the quality and taste of your food. Show videos of neatly stacked, labeled contained. Finally, consider planning your meals around seasonal produce. Seasonal fruits and vegetables not only taste better but are also more affordable and environmentally friendly. Create a meal plan that incorporates the freshest produce available, and you'll enjoy the benefits of peak season flavors and nutrients. Show images of seasonal produce. And there you have it, advanced meal prep techniques to streamline your cooking and keep your meals exciting. Start incorporating these tips into your routine, and you'll find meal prep to be not just a time saver, but a culinary adventure. Remember, the key to successful meal prep is planning, creativity, and a bit of organization. Happy meal prepping, and see you in the next video. Now that you've mastered advanced meal prep techniques, let's explore how to tailor your meal prep to special diets. Whether you're following a vegan, gluten-free, or keto diet, meal prepping can help you stay on track and enjoy a variety of delicious meals. First, let's dive into vegan meal prep. Focus on incorporating a variety of plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh. Prepare large batches of these proteins, along with whole grains like quinoa and brown rice, to keep your meals balanced and satisfying. Don't forget to include plenty of fresh vegetables and fruits to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Show images of vegan meal prep ingredients. For those following a gluten-free diet, the key is to substitute traditional grains with gluten-free alternatives such as rice, quinoa, and gluten-free oats. Prepare gluten-free pasta dishes, stir-fries, and salads in advance to make mealtime a breeze. Always double-check labels to ensure your ingredients are truly gluten-free and avoid cross-contamination by using separate utensils and cutting boards. Show videos of gluten-free meal prep. If you're on a keto diet, focus on high-fat, low-carb ingredients. Batch cook proteins like chicken, beef, and fish, and pair them with keto-friendly vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, and cauliflower. Prepare sauces and dressings that are high in healthy fats like avocado oil or olive oil-based dressings to add flavor and richness to your meals. Show images of keto meal prep ingredients. Meal prepping for special diets can seem daunting, but with a bit of planning and creativity, you can easily create a variety of delicious and nutritious meals that meet your dietary needs. Remember to always keep your pantry stocked with staples that fit your diet, and don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and ingredients. Show videos of meal prep in action. And there you have it, meal prep tailored to special diets. By incorporating these tips, you'll find it easier to stick to your dietary goals and enjoy a diverse range of meals. Happy meal prepping, and see you in the next video.